Hey, my name is Robert. First time welding out here at WelderUp. Took the weekend course. Came in here, classic car guy. Want to learn how to burn in some engine mounts, work on some quarter panels, maybe some floorboards. No experience whatsoever. Would always have to take my projects to someone else, pay them to do it. Took this course. I'm coming up on retirement soon and want to learn how to do it myself so I don't have to pay anybody else and possibly make a little bit of money on the side. Steve went through the nomenclature of the machine, explained everything in detail, made you understand what the machine does before you even pull a trigger. Explained all the safety gear. It was awesome. Next thing you know, builds up your confidence, puts two pieces of metal together, you mess up a couple times. After doing it a little bit, boom, there it is. You go into nice speed. I can't say enough about this course. Then we switch on the second day to stick welding, breaks your confidence all down. That stuff is tough. If you're using someone to stick weld for you, that's a good trade right there. If you can learn it, that's some good stuff. And then came day 3 and we started making our projects. So here, I've got me a little cowboy, little hat holder. I'll be moving to Texas, so I've got to have one of these right there. Now, I might even make these on the side, sell them, make a little bit of extra money for retirement. If you guys are thinking about learning how to weld, definitely sign up for the next class. Come on out, you'll enjoy it. It's a trade you'll never get rid of.